A lot of people believe dependable boats always come with sky-high price tags, but here's the truth. Reliability doesn't have to cost you a fortune. For less than $5,000, you can find solid used boats that are trustworthy, efficient, and built to handle real adventures on the water. While some buyers spend way too much chasing flashy new models, the smart ones are finding proven boats that deliver year after year without breaking the bank. In this video, I'll share 5 of the most reliable used boats under $5,000 that still give you big performance on a small budget. And don't miss the last one. Boat number 5 is so tough and dependable, it could easily serve you for decades. Imagine cruising the water in style with the 2025 South Bay 224 RSLE. This pontoon offers an unmatched experience for leisure and enjoyment. The South Bay 224 RSLE is a versatile and luxurious pontoon boat perfect for family outings and gathering friends. One incredible benefit is the limited edition design, giving you exclusivity. You'll also adore the double captain chair reverse seating layout, providing ultimate comfort. Plus, the 4 loungers offer flexibility facing both forward and rear. Using the South Bay 224 RSLE is simple. Just start the powerful 150 horsepower Suzuki engine and enjoy smooth sailing. The boat features ample space for everyone to relax, socialize, and enjoy the water. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying a quiet day with family, you can lounge in luxury. Imagine fishing off the rear or sipping cocktails with friends on the spacious deck. Don't just take our word for it. Other customers rave about the space and comfort. One satisfied customer said, "This boat makes every trip a memorable experience." Key takeaways. The 2025 South Bay 224 RSLE is a limited edition pontoon, offers amazing comfort with dual seating, and is powered by a robust 150 horsepower Suzuki engine. Ready to elevate your water adventures? For just $439 a month, you can make this stunning boat yours. Are you searching for the ideal project boat? Introducing the Alpa Sloop 600. This steel sloop is designed for water sports lovers looking to unleash their creativity. The Alpa Sloop 600 measures 6 meters long and 2 meters wide, crafted from sturdy steel for excellent sailing performance. This versatile sloop excels with 3 key benefits. Firstly, its low air draft of 1.40 meters lets you navigate under most bridges easily. Secondly, it's built for shallow waters, making it perfect for lakes and canals. Finally, it includes a trailer for convenient transport. Operating the Alpa Sloop is simple. The Yamaha outboard motor, featuring 6 horsepower, powers smooth sailing. The steering is by a comfortable wheel located outside, ensuring clear control. Imagine diverse applications for this boat. Take it for day trips with friends, or simply use it as a personal design project. With minor adjustments, you can create overnight accommodation for short stays on the water. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about its potential and robust construction. Many appreciate its suitability for inland waters and the room for customization. To summarize, the Alpa Sloop 600 is a fantastic investment at just $466, a solid base for recreation or renovation projects. It invites your personal touch and creativity. Ready to make waves with the Alpa Sloop 600? Don't miss out. Reach out today to view this unique project boat. Are you dreaming of owning a boat without the hassle? Welcome to Flexis Sale Boat Club, where your boating dreams come true. Flexis Sale offers memberships to experience boating without the burdens of ownership. The Anytime membership allows up to 66 days of boating per year for a one-time fee of £495, plus £1,050 monthly. This includes insurance, fuel, and maintenance, ensuring no surprise costs. 3 key benefits set Flexis Sale apart. First, enjoy guaranteed boating days for peace of mind. Second, access to a vibrant community of boating enthusiasts brings not only connection, but also learning opportunities. Third, exclusive events, free skills days, and ownership options add immense value to your experience. Let's take a look at our stunning Hanze 418 yacht. At over 41 feet, it's perfect for both short sailings and long trips. Equipped with twin wheel steering and a self-tacking jib, sailing is easy and enjoyable. The Hanze 418 features a modern interior with ample headroom and large hull windows for natural light. The L-shaped galley and spacious saloon are made for comfort, whether cooking or entertaining. Picture yourself relaxing in the cockpit, equipped with everything you need for a good time. Imagine unforgettable weekends with family or friends, exploring beautiful coastal waters. Our members can sail solo or share the experience with loved ones, all while benefiting from a well-maintained fleet. Testimonials from our community confirm that Flexis Sale offers unparalleled joy on the water without the stress of ownership. In summary, the Hanze 418 is a modern cruiser that combines style, space, and effortless handling. Take advantage of our memberships or inquire about ownership opportunities tailored for you. Welcome aboard the 2021 Northstar Orion 7, where adventure meets luxury. Are you ready to elevate your sea outings? The Northstar Orion 7 is a 7.40 meters long, 2.84 meters wide, rigid inflatable boat designed for performance and comfort. Experience 3 key benefits. First, the optimized hull ensures stable and fast navigation in various sea conditions. Second, the spacious sunbathing area allows you to soak up the sun and enjoy quality moments with friends and family. Finally, high-end equipment enhances your boating experience with modern amenities. Let's see how it works. With a powerful 225 Yamaha engine and 350 hours of navigation, this boat is ready for your next adventure. Utilize the GPS for navigation, the sound system to set the mood, and the electric windlass for easy anchoring. The ski mast and extra sunbathing area cater to all your recreational needs. The Orion 7 is versatile. Take it for family outings, fishing trips, or simply enjoy a day on the water with friends. Its design merges safety with enjoyment seamlessly. Key takeaways. The Northstar Orion 7 combines performance, comfort, and safety. It enhances your water adventures with state-of-the-art features. Ready to elevate your boating experience? With a trade-in of LOA at €765 per month until 2036, you have the chance to own this $892 beauty. Don't miss out, your dream boat awaits. Welcome to the showcase of the 1996 WellCraft 2800 Martinique, a boat that promises adventure and relaxation on the water. This cruiser features twin 5.7 Merc Cruiser engines, perfect for a smooth ride. Experience 3 standout benefits: luxurious comfort, ample storage, and a stylish design that makes it unique. Let's discover how it works. The mid-cabin offers a plush lounge area, transforming easily into a double berth. The galley is stylishly designed with a molded sink, a granular countertop, a microwave, refrigerator, and a butane stove. In the helm, you'll find comfortable seating for 3. There's even a slide-out aft-facing seat for your guests. Enhance your outings with an optional table for waterfront dining. The dinette accommodates 4 and converts into a cozy berth as well. Enjoy a head compartment that rivals home comforts, featuring a molded sink, shower, and vacuum flush head. Don't just take our word for it. Previous owners rave about its comfort and functionality, making it a great choice for weekends spent on the water. The WellCraft 2800 Martinique stands out for its quality, design, and price. This luxury cruiser is available for just $995. Make memories on the water and invest in your next adventure. Ready to make this stunning boat yours? If you'd like to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Your support really means a lot. See you in the next one.